This is Jared Blackburn with Pogue Chevrolet, right here in Winsfield, Missouri. My phone number, direct line is 636-638-3126. This is the GMC Acadia 2017 Denali. This one has remote start, 4G Wi-Fi network, OnStar, XM Sirius satellite radio, automatic opening and closing back gate, dual exhaust, trailer tow hitch, backup sensors, cargo hold, dual moonroofs, automatic opening and closing back gate, backup camera. This is all keyless entry, 110 outlet, heated seats in the rear, upgraded xenon headlights, front sensors, crash detect system, fog lights, blind spot in the mirror, upgraded Bose stereo system, memory seating, electric seat, there's 42,836 miles. Has your crash detect system on it. Change the gap back. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone, heated, cooled seats, all-wheel drive, 4x4, sport mode, tow mode, mountain mode, your lane change, parking sensors, has your 360-degree camera, backup camera. See my hand there. Tow mode. Also have the rear climate change, traffic reports, Apple and Android projection, navigation, weather reports, once again, this is Jared Blackburn, Pogue Chevrolet. My phone number is 636-638-3126.